the installment higher at later stage. We have all various type of product. Just we're talking about home financing itself. Even higher purchase itself also we have Ijara now. So also we have a high purchase, so we offer so now fixed rate, and also we offer variable rate now. I mean, we the only one offer variable rate for the high purchase.
Currently, Bible rate macam berapa?
Oh,
Since you are the only bank offer.
So we are, I think around 20% our product is issued under variable rate. The take up is quite good on variable rate.
Any target for this year?
We are thinking like around 20-30% of our disbursement for Islamic. For the conventional itself also, we are targeting around 20-30% target for variable rate. So we achieve our target.
If translate into ringgit, berapa banyak lah dia?
20% we are doing, we're talking about as a whole, we are dispersing around half a billion higher purchase.